So next problem, fourth problem. So here problem is cylinder and cutting plane is at 40 degrees to the HV. Units. Limits. Cylinder. So cylinder 50 mm diameter and height 70 mm height. So click here, diameter 50 mm, enter, height 70 mm. Now cylinder is created. So 50 mm, 70 mm. Now the cutting vertical cut by a section plane perpendicular to the VP, inclined at 40 degrees to HP and intersecting the axis 30 mm above the base, 30 mm above the base. So front view. So from here 30 mm above the base. So take a line from here 30 mm. So ortho on. So 30, enter. Now inclined line. So any distance, enter. Now rotate. This is another method, you can directly do it. Rotate, enter. So specify the base point and angle of rotation 40 or 45 degrees. 40 degrees. So 40. Now move line, enter, point. So ortho off, end point, over, delete this line. Now section plane, select from here, this one, removed. Okay. Now next one is generate section. Generate section, selection, over, 3D, create. Okay. 1, enter, 0, over. Now first angle, okay, model space, object, enter, layout. So now section, full section, depth, slice, click OK. So here from the parent, in the previous 3 problems, here from the parent was 1:20. So you change it to 1:1 so that you will get the section scale 1:1. Okay. So okay. So enter. So this is what. So now so scale 1:20. 20. So there was a error. So if it is 1 is to 1, you will get 1 is to 1. If it is 1 is to 2, you will get 1 is to 2 section. So here it was selected 1 is to 20. So I am getting 1 is to 20 scale. So now you have to hatch. For hatching, you have to click the end axis. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Same way. 1. So 1, 2, 3. Now hatching. Now it is done.